As Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event looms less than a few weeks away, the excitement surrounding Samsung's upcoming flagship phones, the Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra, continues to grow. Marked officially for January 17, this event promises significant revelations. Recent months have witnessed new contenders, challenging Samsung's top-tier Galaxy S23 lineup, compelling the company to expedite its flagship series line. While Key 2024 might showcase new phones, Samsung is unlikely to preview anything before its Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event. Anticipation is high, especially regarding advancements in Samsung's artificial intelligence initiatives. For seasoned Samsung followers, Galaxy Unpacked serves as the brand showcase event for gadgets, primarily smartphones, smartwatches, tablets, audio gear, and sometimes computing devices. Anticipating at least 2 Galaxy Unpacked events in 2024, Samsung might reveal additional ones as well. Scheduled for January 17, as per leaks in Samsung's confirmation, this event shifts forward from last year's February 1 date. The live event will unfold at the SaySet Center in San Jose, California, starting at 10 WC. FOMATA 0 PM. Samsung plans to live stream the events on YouTube and various channels. Choosing mid-January for Galaxy Unpacked 2024 prevents clashing with CES 2024. Samsung's history includes hosting its Galaxy Unpacked events before major tech trade shows, reminiscent of the Galaxy S6 announcement before MWC 2015. Unlike Apple's pre-recorded content, Samsung adheres to an in-person live-streamed event. The live stream usually occurs via Samsung's online newsroom or its YouTube channel, with details announced ahead of time. Expectations for Galaxy Unpacked 2024 revolve around the new Galaxy S24 series, echoing last year's event. The rumors suggest the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra aiming to rival competitors like the iPhone 15 and Pixel 8 series. The spotlight, however, gravitates towards the Galaxy S24 Ultra, anticipated to boast superior specifications and features. Questions linger about its camera setup, potential pricing changes compared to the base and Plus models, and its primary focus on artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence could significantly elevate the Galaxy S24 Ultra's capabilities, mirroring the Pixel 8 series emphasis. Samsung is set to introduce Galaxy AI, a robust mobile AI experience driven by on-device and cloud-based AI, anticipated to debut alongside its flagship phone. Galaxy Gaz, another exciting prospect, promises generative AI for image creation and editing, positioning Samsung's Galaxy phones uniquely in the market. However, an unsettling rumor suggests potential AI-assisted features being locked behind a paywall, raising concerns about restricted access. Samsung's official teaser video for Galaxy Unpacked hints at the event's AI-centric focus, showcasing the transformation from a cubicle shape into stars orbiting around the Galaxy A's coming text logo. This teaser suggests that artificial intelligence will be a pivotal highlight at the event.